Good morning. Well, we're at Calpe. We're off out for a walk. It's about 8 a.m. Believe it or not, that until tomorrow at least, when the clocks change, is sunrise time. So we're going to have a walk round before it gets too warm. It's already 17 degrees, so plotted to get to about 27, so too hot for Poppy, so we're going out early. We'll have a look round and let you know what we've got. Well, here is the beachfront at Calpe, or Calpe, however it's pronounced. It's pretty nice first thing in the morning. People just sat down there, just enjoying the sunrise and taking it all in. Of course, a very patient H and Pooks while I've been taking some pictures. The dog's excited because we've been separated for a full 5 minutes. Yes, I know, we're back now. I'm going to walk up towards that rock, see what's up there. There's a famous outcrop over at Calpe. It's quite a significant standout piece. Here's a picture. So we're going to have a walk up it as far as we can go. We probably can't get right to the top because it's a little bit, probably a little bit too tough for taking a dog up there. I think you need all 4 points on the ground, and dogs have got to be on leads anyway. So we probably won't be able to go all the way, but it might give us a decent vantage point. So we're going to crack on. The trouble is, of course, as normal, wherever you go, no drones. So it's going to be old money camera work.
Some very big birds up here, and I'm fighting the urge to say albatross.
Yeah. Yes. You Monty Python fan, you.
Yes, albatross. Unsurprisingly, the main two industries in Calpe are tourism and fishing. And below us here is the harbour. And at 5 o'clock on every day, the fishermen come in and there's a fisherman's auction of the catch. And it's down to the Fishermen's Association as to the order that the fishing boats come in and that they can sell the fish. All seems very well organised.
Yeah.
Great view though.
Yeah.
You can see right out there, I don't know if the lobster beds, where the boats are right out there.
Yeah.
And then the bustling metropolis that must be Benidorm, right
Benidorm.
in the distance, yeah.
Which
yeah,
is just there.
Yeah.
Just see the skyscrapers, can't you? I'm highly delighted for another reason today. It's about a month since we've had COVID, and it really did get in our lungs. So much so that, well, I was explaining to me by my brother, who's the consultant, the medical consultant, is that it attacks the soft, spongy part of your lungs. And so it just takes something like 4 to 6 weeks to get rid. And initially, I felt like somebody had taken my lungs off and put a geriatric set on when we were running or doing any sort of exercise. But I have to say, this morning, I'm walking uphill and it feels better. So I'm delighted. So I think we'll start running again next week. Yeah, it's been a bit of a challenge, but we're getting there. So what goes up must come down, as we suspected. Towards the end, the last bit, not suitable for small dogs. Certainly not 2-year-old cockapoos that are difficult to, who can't control their excitement at the best of times. They'll have us both off the side of the rock. So we've been as far as we can, and it was worth it. It's quite a nice view up there. And we'll save the other one for another day when we've either the dog's a little bit older and a bit more stable, if that day ever comes. He's a cockapoo after all. So we're going to head back down now and go and find a coffee. So we've reached this shopping centre really in the old town. It's well stocked with shops, some good quality stuff on sale. Obviously an affluent place for tourism or locals. Heading uphill from the Avenida Gabriel Miro, up from the seafront, you'll come through an archway, and then a little bit further on we get to what's known locally as the Spanish Steps. The lower section is adorned with a traditional mural of Spanish military and maritime scenes, and the steps are decorated with the Spanish flag. Probably the most famous element of Calpe after the rock. Well, this looks like a wedding car. And it looks like people waiting to see what they look like when they come out. It's something that people used to do. They used to call them wedding supporters. They weren't guests, but they hung around outside. Look at this. That's a class car. That is lovely. I'm not sure about the cans of beer tied with a. I suppose it's. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it's lovely. That is different. Turns out we're wedding supporters too.
Just waiting to see what the bride looks like. It's a girl thing.
Yeah. We go on holiday. Thousands of kilometres from home. And we're sitting to wait to see what our bride looks like.
It could be worse. It's 23, 24 degrees. It's beautiful. There's a fantastic car to look at. And it's people watching. What could be better?
It is true, there is a good car to look at.
Yeah.
Well, we might be getting towards the end of the service now. We've heard lots of clapping, which would suggest that the deed's been done. And they're singing what I think is always look on the bright side of life. But Ellen disagrees.
Somehow I don't quite think so. But who knows?
Maybe it's lost in translation. But can you think of a better song for a wedding? Always look on the bright side of life. Do-do, 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 do-do. We ran over at cans there was nearly an incident. And off we go. We know they're married now because the lowbrow cans are all stringed together off the back of the car. Oh, he's going to kill the cans. Oh, yeah, no, that's it, mate. Take care now. Oh, you can't be killing the cans. Oh. Just kicking him underneath. That's it. Action has been taken. And here we go. How wonderful. Well, we wish you many years of happiness, girl. And you, son.
Yeah. That was wonderful. The bride looked stunning. They looked a really happy couple. I hope they have many happy years in front of them.
Check this place out. It's a bistro, Lapsus Bistro, which is quite quirky. And around the side, they've got their family tree. I think this is really, really cool. Really cool. That's how to respect and remember your elders. Good morning. Well, bright and early, down on the beach this morning. Just taking a picture of the rock again in sunrise. I can already see some people on top where we were yesterday. At the base of the rock is the harbour. Into sun a little bit here, so you probably won't be able to see the rock in the detail that I'd prefer it, but you can get a sense of how it provided some shelter for the marina underneath. And the boats are here. Big catamaran trip boat. And boxes of fishing nets. And, it's Sunday today, so not be such a problem for the fishermen, because they'll be having a day off, generally. That's the fish market over there. And turning around, there's a whole host of fish restaurants. Not open at the moment, of course. It's too early, but you would have thought, wouldn't you, that these guys would get the pick of the catch. So this is probably the place to come if you like fish. And you're in Calpe. Well, after photographing the sunrise and walking around the marina, time to go to our favourite restaurant here. Breakfast, coffee and tostada. Quite a nice little spot really. Nice classical music over breakfast at the side of the sea. What more could you ask for?
We've left Calpe, we're on our way to Villa Hyosa. This is one of our favourite places in the Costa Blanca and the subject of our next video. Thanks for watching. Helen out.
Martin out.